Tatlo lang. Isang tris lang eh. Wow! Oh, lamang sila isa guys. Lamang.
46 seconds ha.
46 seconds na lang. All lang score. All. Ayun na. Ang oras guys ay 40 seconds. 40. Nag-dribble. Naku, na-spill. Stats. Gisol. Biggest. Oh! Last shot. Score guys. Atim yan. Wow! All. Sabi score guys. It's seconds oh. Inbound ni Jason. Basket yun guys, score oh. Foul counted pa lang guys, foul counted. Ano na tira? 3 seconds. Wala. 4 seconds lang guys, 4 seconds. Free throw pa na Gray, lamang ang Gray ng dalawa. Guys, wala nang oras guys, pinahol lang. Ay, free throw, dalawang free throw. Pag na-shoot yan, OT. Kung na-shoot yan, dalawa, OT. Wow, shoot! Gandang laban guys, gandang laban. Oh, one shot. Last shot. Last throw. OT yan guys, OT. Pag na-shoot yan, OT guys. Shoot guys. Champion yung Gray. Score guys oh.
Search nyo. Lalabas sa Google kagad yan.
Ganda ng trophy guys.
Utang yan.
Kuming guys. Supportive yung girlfriend niya.
Dalawa naman kayo.
Oh, yan.
Naka-YouTube na yan eh.
Kuming guys ang MVP oh. Lupet MVP. Sim ano.
Style yan.
Shell Residence.